Hi guys, good evening, and I received my package from Amazon, which I buy last 2 days through online shopping. I bought for Blue Yeti microphone. This will be used for live streaming later. But now, let's watch what's inside.
Now let's open the box. You know what, guys? Blue Yeti is the #1 USB microphone, and it has a blue innovative tri-capsule array. And the Yeti lets you record with 4 unique patterns. Stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. And it offers a recording possibility that usually require multiple microphones. So right now we have here the cable wire from Blue Yeti microphone going to your computer, and we have here a manual. Now let's see what's Blue Yeti look like. Now this is blackout edition. That's why it's black. Blue Yeti has a different colors. It has blue, silver, black, and I buy for black edition. So this is the front side, where you have the mute button, and if you have a headset, the volume. And this is the USB cable from your microphone going to your computer. This is the front side, and it has a very unique stand. And this is the back side. It has a 4 pattern, and voila, this is Blue Yeti blackout edition. So in my next video I will explain each pattern, but for now I just want to show you, because I'm so excited to open this, because I will use this one for my live streaming and video recording. So later I will show you each patterns, how does it sounds using Blue Yeti. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking all my video. And if you have some suggestions, put your comments below.